It is looking like one ugly stretch of weather this week. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking on to tonight's Weather Extra. There's no question today was the best day of the week. We had a mixture of sun and clouds with temps running in the 50s, comfortable mid to late October temperatures. Can't say the same for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll have periods of rain with strong gusty winds. Today, our time lapse from our Raymond Skycam was a pretty nice one. That's looking back toward Pleasant Mountain right there. That right there is Mount Washington, 6,288 feet above sea level. Notice some lenticular clouds. This is a photo coming in from the Mount Washington Observatory at Mount Washington State Park, and that's some pretty rime ice. Rime ice forms when you get super cool water droplets in a cloud that instantly freezes on any objects below freezing. And yeah, there's lots of it up there after this weekend. They actually had a little bit of snow up there as well. Speaking of snow, the man-made stuff was occurring up on Wildcat today. They were testing the snow guns. This is the scene up at Wildcat up in New Hampshire during the course of the morning. All right, let's start talking about this next rainstorm heading away. It's not a snowstorm or anything like that. We're looking at rain here. It's a slow-moving one. Basically, it's cut off from the jet stream. It's cut off from the steering currents in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So it's going to sit there and spin to our south, bringing copious amounts of rain here into northern New England. So it's wet Tuesday, developing rain Tuesday. Heavier bands move in Tuesday night, Wednesday, Thursday. The rain should taper to rain showers on Friday. I don't anticipate any sun until probably Saturday. Saturday we'll have partly sunny skies. Rain heavy at times, 2 to as much as 5 inches of rain during that period. Winds could gust 30 to 40 miles per hour, especially tomorrow night, Wednesday and Thursday. The storm is looking kind of disorganized right now. There's a broad area of low pressure to our west. Low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere will become cut off from the jet stream during the course of our Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So there's the surface low. This one run off the GFS model. Notice how it's very slow to move out. This is actually 7 o'clock in the evening on Thursday, kind of still hanging out south of Cape Cod, and eventually it should pull out of here at some point Friday and into Saturday. This is another forecast model. Same time frame here. We're looking at an area of low pressure to the south. See the broad circulation with the surface low spinning south of southern New England right into the day on Thursday. So that should pinwheel periods of rain into our area, New Hampshire and Maine, right into our late week time frame. A closer inspection here is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If we have any dry hours tomorrow, it's during the morning hours. So if your plans take you outdoors, I think we're in decent shape during the early morning hours anyway. The light rain and rain shower activity should move in during the afternoon. That rain could come down heavy at times tomorrow night and into Wednesday. Wednesday we'll have a hard time getting much above 50 degrees for a high, so temps will be cool. It's going to be wet, it's going to be raw, and the winds will become quite gusty as well, gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. This is actually 10 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Notice more heavier bands of rain kind of pinwheeling in from that storm system to our south, so we'll have another round of heavy rain at some point early Thursday with some strong gusty winds. Now the good news, the rain will taper to rain showers on Friday, and I'm hopeful for a better looking weekend. Skies should become partly sunny on Saturday and mostly sunny on Sunday. There's some computer model guidance still suggesting we could see a few rain showers kind of hanging out over the weekend, but I'm taking the more optimistic approach out of this one anyway. Inland forecast, not much of a change. Some folks have been asking, will there be any snow up in the mountains? And my answer to that is no, I don't think so. I think temperatures there will be just too warm to support snow out of this one. So that's the way it looks. Get ready for a pretty gloomy and wet stretch heading our way. We can ditch the sunglasses for a few days here, but I think we'll need them by the weekend. That's the way things look. Another update coming up tonight on Fox 23 at 10 and CBS 13 at 11. We'll see you then. Have a nice night.